Hey everyone, it's about time I redid these TeamUp top tips, as TeamUp's had some updates recently. So I'm going to take you through some super simple things that you might need to do on TeamUp. We're going to have a refresh for all of those old videos we made before. The first video I'm making is how to sign up as a new customer. Signing up as a new customer on TeamUp could not be easier. You go to the teamkinetix.co.uk website. The first button you'll see, big blue button, middle of the screen, book now. You tap on that, open a new tab, and that will be our TeamUp booking system. And right here in the top right corner is a button that says login or register. Tap on that, and if you've already got a TeamUp account, you can log in. If you don't, then it'll prompt you to set up an account. It doesn't say when you start to log in or sign up. You just enter your email address and the system will know whether that email address is already registered to a customer or not. If you've already used something like a CrossFit gym or a small independent gym, you may already have a TeamUp account. So pop your email address into the box and TeamUp will then say log in or you need to register. Super, super easy.